Here I've got Vernee Apollo Lite, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select Backup and Reset, it's right here, and then click on Backup My Data. And if you would like to activate this feature, just click on this switcher, now it's active, and let's go to Backup Account. Click on Add Account and connect your device with Wi-Fi, as otherwise you will not be able to log in with your Google account. So this one is mine. Let me enter the password of the screen. And as only you are connected, we can go back and let me refresh adding the account. And as you can see now, your device is checking for the information, and it's time to enter your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. In my case, it's email address and it's HardReset. And click on Next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, click on Next. And here just come along with all Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you agree with all the above conditions, click on I agree. And that's it. As you can see, backup is active. Click on Next. And here is your backup account. So from now on, your data is protected by Google. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.